Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Renzi Bahar, and best player of the game, Arvin Tolentino. Coach Renzi, Venky Joyce has been nothing short of great. He doesn't force his shots and has an impressive demeanor. Can you talk about how important this is, especially we're looking forward to that breakthrough for Northport?
Yes, no. In behalf of Coach Bonnie has a flu, so ako lang muna yung pinapunta. But your question is regarding Venky, no? Venky can help us, especially his energy and aggressiveness. So because nadadala niya yung energy and aggressiveness niya sa team, that's why all the locals are inspired and motivated because of his effort. So Venky is a very big help for us, especially down the stretch. He's a veteran player and also he involves everyone. And yun yung pinakamaganda sa kanya, his attitude.
Coach, you mentioned involving everyone. Pag-usapan naman natin your thoughts on JM Calmas and the Flores efforts in guarding the One Summers.
Yeah, JM and Cade is inspired also because of our import, a very hardworking import. So that's why JM and Cade play their roles. Na they're just playing to their potential. So yun, credit to them, especially down the stretch na medyo foul trouble yung dalawa. But they don't mind that foul trouble because they just want to play as hard as they can.
Arvin, sabihin mo sa amin, ano bang meron sa November 12? Last year, same place, Commissioner's Cup, naka 31 points ka, which is your first time to get more than 30 points. And then this time, you got 35 points. Arvin, ano masasabi mo?
Ewan ko. Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung last career high ko was same day and same venue rin. Sana dito na lang lagi. Wala, ewan ko. Dahil sa yung mami ko nanonood. First time niya manood actually ng game ko. Kasi yun kabado, kinakabahan siya pag naglalaro ako. Mama's boy eh. So hindi siya masyado nanonood sila siya. So ngayon nandiyan siya. At malapit lang dyan lang ang uno yung bahay namin.
Arvin, ngayon pag-usapan din natin yung ibang mga teammates mo na nag-step up for Northport. Nandyan si Joshua, nandyan si Venky, and the other guys which definitely lightens the load for you. Your thoughts about your teammates this conference?
I think lahat naman nag-contribute, especially in today's game. Yung energy ng bawat isa. Yung mga rookies namin also was, they were incredible today. They were poised na hindi sila naglalaro na parang rookie. Para silang kumbaga tawag dito, komportable na sila. And to the other guys, si JM and Cade was amazing yung hustle nila and effort. Venky is an amazing player. Amazing attitude, yung character niya. That's why lahat kami naengganyo and nahawa sa kanya. Actually siya yung namin. And also the coaches. So overall, I think we had a great day today.
We now open the floor for our friends from the press.
Arvin, you finished the game with a slam over Gabe Norwood. Talk about yung dunk na yun. Were you surprised that you were able to pull it off?
Actually, nag-usap kami ni Gabe during the game after nun. Tinanong ko siya kung plano talaga niya habulin. Kasi I was planning talaga to go hard sa basket dahil end game and winning time na. And siguro 2 years ago, mahabol ni Gabe yun. But, yeah. Swerte na lang kasi nakuha ko. Siya nagsabi sabi niya, maybe 2 years ago, I could have got that. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi ako
Ikaw naman, Arvin, for you, itong 2-0 record to start off the conference, ano masasabi mo doon? Did you expected this based on their preparations? Ikaw and the team during the preparations, did you see this happening?
Well, to be honest, for me, in my personal opinion, parang wala naman kami masyado talagang expectations. Kumbaga, we really prepared for this season. Yun, nag-ready lang kami to give our best every game. And because we have Venky nga as an import, an amazing guy, overall, yung hustle niya, yung attitude, siguro yun yung isa sa nagdala din sa amin. That's why we're 2-0 ngayon. And hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung itong ano namin, yung momentum. Although next game namin is Magnolia. Yeah, it's just a tough assignment, but we'll do our best again. Wala na may ibang magagawa eh. Yun lang.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, gentlemen.